We are going to Costa Rica today. Be nice at your summer camp, okay?
Sure I will, Dad. I will be a good kid in the summer scout camp. Don't worry, Mom and Dad.
Goodbye, Tom. See you soon.
Goodbye. See you soon. Wow! This forest is so beautiful! This camp is so big. There are so many friends, too.
Attention, everybody. I'm the leader of the camp, and here are some rules we have to follow. Remember to stay together. Do not go alone. And stay out of the forest, It's really dangerous.
It's so boring. I want to explore the forest. No, we should listen to the leader. He just wants us to be safe. I just follow them for a minute. I will be back soon. Wait for me, little squirrels. Hey, Nick, come back. It's not safe there. Oh, no. He went into the forest.
Hey, where are Nick and Tom? I don't see them around here.
Leader, Nick ran into the forest. I tried to stop him, but I can't.
Tom, tell me the way. I will find him and take him back for you. Tom told me he went that way. Let's move. We must find him. Search in small groups. Team A, you find over there. The rest of you, follow me.
Please answer me. Everyone is looking for you, Nick. Nick, where are you? Wait, what is that sound? I think I heard something. Tom, help me. I'm over here. I'm coming, Nick. Don't be scared. Thank you for finding me. I'm very cold and scared. Stay calm. I will help you. Now, let's find the way back. Oh no, a bear! Stay low, Nick. Don't let it see us. That's why the leader told us not to go into the forest. It's gonna pass us soon. At that time, we should not make any sound. Don't worry, follow my lead. Let's get up and find the way back. We are safe now. Ouch! My leg hurts! I cannot stand up! Oh no, you cannot walk to the camp. Let me find a way. I can run back to the camp and ask for help. You stay right here, and I will be back, okay? Please don't leave me alone. I'm scared of dark. Okay, I will be here with you. Don't be scared. Aha! I found it! I will use this laser to let everyone know we are here. Please see us. We need help.
It must be Tom's laser. Let's go over there. Tom! Nick! I'm coming. Stay where you are.
So the laser light works. You guys saw it.
Tom, you found Nick and find a way to let us know where you are. You did really well.
Thank you, Tom and Tiff. You could leave me alone and call for help, but you did not. You are welcome, Nick.
He will be okay, Bella. Don't worry.
Thank you so much. I am so sorry for not listening to you and the leader. I will follow the rules from now. You are safe. That's the most important. And you learn that the forest is really dangerous, too.
This is Tom. He is the true hero today. He saved his friend, Nick.
Good job, Tom. We are proud of you.
A scout will never leave a friend.
And a scout will always stay together. I did the right thing, and I'm really proud of myself. I want to tell this to my family when I'm back. Look at me, Tom. I learned how to walk with crutches. You cannot run in a short time. But you will be fine soon, Nick.
Good morning, everyone. This is a brave badge for Tom, and he did a great thing yesterday. You earned it, Tom. Let's hope you will be the one who gain most badges in the future. Everyone, make sure you don't leave anything behind. This is the end of our summer camp. See you in the next year.
Goodbye, summer camp. I will miss the time I'm here a lot. Will you come and play at my house sometimes? I will, Nick.
Here we are, Tom's house.
Goodbye, everyone. I had a lot of fun with you. See you next year.